Welcome to the DOJO Training Center, a dedicated space designed for hands-on learning in manufacturing. Here, we don't just talk about safety and precision, we practice it step by step. Let's get started. Our first stop is the safety station.
Before using any equipment, we prepare ourselves with the right personal protective equipment: helmet, goggle, mask, vest, gloves, shoes, etc.
Clear visual instructions guide every process, building the habit of starting right. Next, we step into the fire safety station. Here we learn how to handle real-life emergencies. You'll see how to use fire safety tools like the fire hose, sand bucket, and how to raise a fire alarm. We also walk through the emergency evacuation route, because knowing the way out is just as important as knowing the way in. Now we arrive at the lockout-tagout station, where we learn how to shut down and secure machines before maintenance. You'll practice locking equipment, tagging it clearly, and following the right order. It's a habit that keeps everyone safe. Before we use tools, we pause at this station to sharpen our natural sensors. We train ourselves to spot risks using all 5 senses: sight for spills, sound for abnormal noise, smell for burning, touch for vibrations, and gut instinct when something just feels wrong. Awareness is our first tool. Now we enter the measurement zone, where precision takes center stage. This area is dedicated to mastering 3 key tools for accurate measurement. Let's go one by one. This station teaches the micrometer, used to measure very small external dimensions, down to 0.01 millimeters. It builds patience and sharpens your attention to the smallest detail. Next, at the vernier caliper station, we measure both internal and external dimensions with a sliding scale. The practice here improves coordination and accuracy. Our final tool station is the height gauge. Used for vertical measurements and precise markings, it teaches you how to work on flat, stable surfaces with care. As we finish our dojo tour, think about what you've done. You didn't just handle tools, you followed a process, practiced safety, paid attention, and worked with purpose. These stations build more than knowledge, they build habits that last. DOJO Training Center. Practice with purpose. Perform with precision. Your shift begins here with confidence.